Today, surgical procedures can also be planned via interactive software on the PC in the dental office. In this example, the planning was based on inserting hollow titanium cylinders according to the prosthodontic requirements into a thermoplastic template. These titanium cylinders will also serve as drilling aids offering axial guidance later on when the implantation is performed. The angle of the prosthodontically defined axial direction of the titanium cylinders can be corrected after CT analysis of the actual bone relations and realigned after thermoplastic softening. Now CT images of the patient are obtained with the planning template in situ. The CT data are converted via a computer center into a format that is compatible with the interactive software. The data are transferred via diskette or a high-speed data line to the PC in the dental office. The software represents the available bone substance in 3 different projections for further analysis. The right-hand side on the top shows the axial projection of the maxilla. On the bottom right side you can see the panoramic projection, and on the bottom left side you can see the various cross-sectionals of the maxilla. Now we will pick out these cross-sectionals that include the titanium cylinders and thus the planned implant sites. Section image number 12 shows a titanium cylinder over the alveolar crest in its correct axial direction. Well-structured additional measurements can be performed via the tool functions. Now, basic implant designs can be selected from a database and aligned in their definitive axial direction. Ideally, the implant axis coincides with the axis of the titanium cylinder. If the titanium cylinder is not correctly aligned, the angle at which it deviates is measured. In this way, the titanium cylinder can be adjusted in the planning template to its correct axial direction and can be used as a template for the surgical procedure. After positioning the implant body, the dimensions of the available bone are measured. The measuring tool is used to determine first the width of the alveolar process, which in our case is 8 mm, then the distance to the maxillary sinus, which is 14 mm, and finally the vertical distance to the nasal floor, which is 17 mm.